how can you install AngularJS, or how can you download AngularJS, and what are the versions and what type of files that are required in order to download AngularJS. Okay, so let's start and have a look what we have today. Okay, first of all we have to go on the official website of AngularJS. So you can see, notice here the URL, that's angularjs.org. okay, right now nowadays we have simple Angular as well. So there are two flavors of Angular, that is the only Angular and the AngularJS. Okay, so we are going to learn AngularJS first because it's the first step in order to go or reach towards Angular. I hope it is clear to everyone. So first of all we have to click here on the download button of AngularJS. You can see now a pop-up, a modal is there in front of us, and it's saying that the latest version is 1.7.x, and you can download the minified version or the uncompressed version or the zip version of the AngularJS. So minified means everything is compressed, everything is line to line, there are no spacings, no comments, no clear understanding what is the code written. But in uncompressed you can be able to write, you can be able to understand what is written inside that particular AngularJS file. Okay, so we can use uncompressed, but the only difference between the two, the minified and the uncompressed, is that minified version takes less space and uncompressed version takes more space, but in the end both are same. Okay, and you have the CDN as well. You can copy this CDN, so without having downloaded the AngularJS file you can directly use it online. Okay, so it depends what type of installation or the file getting of the file is done with which method. Okay, so it's up to you whether you are going to use this CDN or you use this uncompressed version or the minified version. It's your choice. Now click on the download button for uncompressed. You can see this is the proper AngularJS file. So I'm not going you to I'm not expecting from you people to understand this code. Simply right click on this file and save this file with the name Angular or any other name that you wish to, and go to your desktop and save it. Simple. So this, you can see angular.js file has been downloaded, and if you come here again and you click here angular.js and click on the minified version and click on the download, so you can see the difference. That code and this code both are same, but here we don't have any spacings, we don't have any comments, we don't have any clear understanding what is written. Okay, so you can download this as well. So save as and save this file at angular.min because it's a minified version. So save it. Now let's go to the desktop and see the size of this. So it's normal AngularJS file, it's 1.30 MB megabytes, and it's, you can see, only 172 KB. So this is how your size is reduced. You can use any of the two now. That's what we can do this. Now let's open the IDE and integrate your AngularJS within your first HTML web page. Alright guys, so Dreamweaver is open in front of me. The version is CS6. You can use any version that is greater than CS6, that is Dreamweaver CC or any other version, but I recommend you to go for CC or CS6. So let's click on the new button and select your HTML5 as the doc type because the version is HTML, and then click create HTML5 version. So we have successfully created a page that belongs to the HTML5 version of HTML, and let us first save this. So first example, or you can say it as index dot, don't need to write .html because it's already in Dreamweaver defined. So let us create a new folder here on the desktop with the name Angular site. Okay, Angular site, and double click here and save this page with the name index and click save. You see my page is now saved, and you can see my folder is there and it is saved inside this folder. Okay, the page is successfully saved. Now the next step that we have to do is to add our AngularJS file. So linkage of Angular, that's my title, and let us apply script because AngularJS is ultimately a JavaScript file. So we have to open the script tag, we have to close the script tag, and simply we have to specify the source, that is browse. And now you don't have any file here, so just create a new folder with the name scripts and come here inside copy these two or cut these two from this desktop and go to your scripts folder and paste it here. Simple. Okay, now I am selecting my angular.minified version, so you can see I have successfully called or referenced my angular.js within my HTML page. So I hope it is clear to everyone. So that's a very simple basic step. How can you add angular.js with your HTML page? So that's all for today. I'll be letting you know, or I'll cover the next topics in the next lectures about how to do and how to start with angular.js. So do till this step, and then we'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.